Welcome you to my Yorùbá village once again. Today we are going to discuss on the Yoruba's color. Color is àwọ̀ in Yoruba. We want to discuss about the Yoruba colors. Let's start from the red color here. Red color, àwọ̀ pupa. Red color, àwọ̀ pupa. White color, àwọ̀ funfun. White color, àwọ̀ funfun. Black color, àwọ̀ dúdú. Black color, àwọ̀ dúdú. Blue color, àwọ̀ aró. Blue color, àwọ̀ aró. Yellow color, àwọ̀ òféèfé. Yellow color, àwọ̀ òféèfé. Green color, àwọ̀ ewé. Green color, àwọ̀ ewé. Orange color, àwọ̀ olómi ọsàn. Orange color, àwọ̀ olómi ọsàn. Orange color, àwọ̀ olómi ọsàn. So let's take a look at the sentences here. Let's take a look at the sentences which says bọ́ọ̀lù pupa wà lórí tábìlì. Bọ́ọ̀lù pupa wà lórí tábìlì. The red ball is on the table. Bọ́ọ̀lù pupa wà lórí tábìlì. The red ball is on the table. Aṣọ funfun mi dára púpọ̀. My white cloth is very fine. My white cloth is very fine. Or my white cloth is very good. Ilé náà jẹ́ àwọ̀ ewé. Ilé náà jẹ́ àwọ̀ ewé. The house is painted green. The house is painted green. So that's it for today. Next class we continue. Thank you very much.